So the garden is doing pretty good. Just rained yesterday, and I'm going to show it to you from a different perspective. As you can see, there's a lot of flowering going on with the cucumbers over there. The radishes are still a bit discolored, but they're ready for harvest, so it doesn't matter how good they're doing when they're going to get eaten. The little corn is doing pretty good. I mean, it rained really good yesterday. They got a really good dousing. You can see the watermelon plant is going through the fence. That's pretty funny. I know I've mentioned that before, but I'd like to talk about it. Watermelons, everything's looking good. Looks like there's more green to the cantaloupe leaves now. I had applied nitrogen, and then of course the storms. You see right there that there's a tomato there that has, and it's starting to turn color. It's going to get red on us. Hard to see because it's so bright. Give you an idea how tall that tomato plant is. It's up to my nose now, which I'm 5'7", so that one tomato plant's pretty big. The rain washed the savin dust poison off the tomato leaves, so I have to watch it. The tomato plant had a bunch of leaves that went brown though, but at least we still have tomatoes. Well, everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Corn's doing awesome. There's some corn that'll have 3, some 2, some 1. Where there's 3 cobs on one ear. Always look for the bunny rabbit ears. Here's the bunny rabbit ears, and it's actually already started silking. But whenever you see those, it means more can come. It's funny how some of the corn's really short. So a lot of this plant right here is really the other plant reaching over from top. There's actually multiple plants, and each one of these there's probably about 8 or 9 seeds. The underneath leaves are kind of discolored from the ones above them. Like the plant's trying to provide the nitrogen as far out as it can go, so it can reach and grab, and that's what helps it produce. But that's it in the sum. There's the garden. Everything is growing really, really awesome. Anyways, I'm going to sign off. Peace out.